Kaya samahan niyo ako kumain, diba? Asin. Prank natin si mama na ipapatikim natin sa kanya. Dapat paasin mo siya dyan. Tignan niyo ako.
I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing.
Wait lang. Guys, nalagyan ko
I swear, it's not a game that children play, so tell